Welcome to the Spring Sale Wars, Amazon versus Walmart. We're diving into the best 2026 deals where you can find savings up to 70% off. In flagship 4K TVs, Amazon features the Hisense E6 Cinema with up to 31% off. Walmart offers a Samsung 75 inches Crystal 4K dropping to $448 and an ONN 65 inches Roku Smart TV for only $278. For cordless cleaning power, Amazon offers the Dyson V9 Plus at 39% off and the Shark AI robot at 53% off. Walmart counters with the Dyson V9 motor bar at half price and the Bissell Little Green down to $70. Check out the mattress and sleep deals. Amazon has the Neo Sleep Queen mattress at 40% off and the Zinus Spa Sensations down to $120. Walmart features a Queen 12 inches memory foam for only $90, which was $180. In PC gaming, Amazon offers 16% off the Lenovo Legion LOQ and 24% off the Dell G series. Walmart has the powerful Asus ROG Strix G16 dropping to $1,399 and the HP Omen Max saving you $200. For work and study laptops, Amazon features 21% off the Apple MacBook Air 15 inches and 40% off the ultra-portable HP Stream HD 1.4. Walmart has the HP Chromebook X360 saving $60 and the Lenovo V15 G4 FHD saving $79. When it comes to elite noise-canceling audio, Amazon has Sony ANC headphones at 39% off. Walmart offers the Beats Studio Pro at 43% off and the Apple AirPods Max with $100 in savings. Looking for true wireless earbuds? Amazon offers the JBL Vibe Buds at 46% off. Walmart has the JLab Go AirPop for only $18 and a $15 saving on Apple AirPods 4. For smart kitchen upgrades, Amazon features 36% off Keurig and Nespresso machines. Walmart provides a NutriBullet Pro blender at 50% off and a Ninja air fryer dropping to $69. In smart home essentials, Amazon has the Echo Spot at 38% off. Walmart offers a rare discount on the Apple AirTag 4-pack, down to $69, making each tracker just $17. For patio and outdoor living, Amazon deals include 33% off the Ninja Outdoor Pizza Oven. Walmart has the Home Pro 32 inches Fire Pit at 59% off, and a hanging egg chair dropping to $108. Considering a smartphone upgrade? Amazon has huge price drops on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Walmart focuses on ecosystems with $70 off the Apple Watch Series 11. In health, fitness, and travel, Amazon offers 30% off the Away luggage trunk and 55% off Hydro Flask bottles. Walmart has a rare 44% off on the Stanley Quencher and over 50% off the Renpho massage gun. For tablets and creator tech, Amazon features 31% off the DJI Mini Drone. Walmart provides incredible budget value with the Zonko 2-in-1 tablet, dropping from $180 down to $103. The 2026 spring verdict is in. Amazon wins for premium tech and smart home ecosystems. Walmart wins for aggressive TV pricing, household appliances, and budget sleep. Which sale are you shopping?